Gentlemen, welcome back to the Eastern Pennsylvania one-bedroom middle-aged divorcee apartment tool review. Today is something that just came on the Amazon truck. I'm gonna unbox it and check it out with y'all. It's something that I've been seeing on my social media, my TikTok recently, and it finally came on Amazon, and it's Xhandle, Xhandle. And there are no multi-tool reviews on anything this company makes at all on YouTube. So that's why I'm making this. I think this company just came on Amazon recently, so thought I'd give it a shot. This is the MT-76 20-in-1 multi-tool from Xhandle, and it's currently on Amazon for the price of $42.90. So let's open it together, see what we got here. You can tell by how my little fingers are struggling that, yes, this is a fresh unboxing. And you can tell by what's on the box where this product came from. Well, yeah. And we got here a decent belt sheath. Actually, seems decent quality. Take that off. And we are unboxed. No bits or anything, but there are some side pouches. Let's open this up. Now, we got some Chinese. What does that little say? One more option. Focus. One more option. And this has kind of got like that finish on there. It's chunky. It's got a little weight to it. Weight wise, and I'm not gonna have a scale here, but if you have a Leatherman Surge, this weighs maybe a little less than that. I gauge weight on multi-tools if it's as heavy or less heavy than a Leatherman Surge. So, but it's a chunker. Nice clip. Open it up. So we got our pliers with removable wire strippers. It is not spring loaded. The company on Amazon, it says the steel is all 440A. So we got that. And well, there's some stuff. What do we have on the inside here? So there's nothing on the inside here on this handle, but here, okay. So here we have this little lanyard, I guess. And we have a 2D Phillips head here. And the lanyard wasn't, but it looks like the Phillips head is. Oh, it's liner locked. Check that out. It's a liner locked Phillips head. That's pretty neat. You don't see that on a multi-tool. Let us push this back in. So this, we've got our blade. Seems sturdy in there. Seems kind of chintzy a little bit. Doesn't seem much, but looks like it'll get the job done. Whoa. Is that a ferro rod? Guess I can go outdoors with this now and start fires. That's pretty sweet. Be nice if you can go back in. There we go. Let's go. That is, we got our saw blade. That is liner lock. Let's check out some tools. It's kind of like a box cutter. We got an awl. I'm gonna open this. Here's get better. Looks like I don't get better access. Crap. So with opening tools, I always have an issue because I have no nails because I bite them. Let me close this so I don't burn myself. Looks like we got a ruler and a file on the side. Got your standard bottle opener with little flathead at the end. And that's kind of a serrated blade, I guess. Now, yeah, so here's the lock for all this, the little button lock there. Put all this down. And then, so let me figure this out. I think the reason that kind of attracted me to this tool, okay, yeah, now I see what it is. So this looks very similar to like a next tool, because you get this sucker right here. Yeah. Big old sheath scissors. Don't really have, well, I'm sure they won't mind if I, oh yeah. Yep, those would do. Not bad. So, good friends at China, from China, looks like they've made a pretty decent tool. I mean, $42.90 right now on Amazon. You know, it's about the price of a, you know, similar Byberry. I think around the next tools are around that, you know, $40, $50 mark. I like those scissors. Those are awesome. Seems to have everything else. I don't care less for the ferro rod. Probably for all the stuff that they put in here, I feel like to me, like, the Phillips head was kind of like maybe an afterthought. I don't know. A lot of companies are starting to go the Leatherman route on these 2D Phillips heads. I don't really care for them that much, honestly. But, I don't know. This is a decent sized tool, you know? And I feel like maybe here, like, look at the space here. Like, I feel like they could have fit a quarter-inch bit driver in there, and I feel like that would have made the tool even more, a little bit more versatile. What do you guys think? Xhandle, MT-76, 20-in-1. Yeah.